If you want to scale your online business today, especially in this creator economy, you got to change your approach. You're making decent content, you're consistent, but views and revenue, they just aren't happening. Today, I'm going to show you the exact approach that I'm taking to scale my business to $10,000 a month using nothing more than organic content. No paid ads, no burnout, no selling your soul to the algorithm. You're going to walk away today with a complete no BS plan about how to do it. You can create a business that actually fits around your real life, allows you to get some income and some freedom. And let's start with this. You got to have a mindset shift. Organic content is no longer like a nice to have. It is the only sustainable way to do this. Paid ads have gotten ridiculously expensive, and platforms keep changing the rules, and the AI generated noises everywhere. People are craving real voices, real experience, and real patience. And that's you. That's me. We've lived through life and have something valuable to say and share. And the audience that matters is actively looking for creators who feel just like that, man. They're trusted mentors instead of hype machines. So the first thing we're going to do in this system is pillar number one. And that is building a content system that compounds without crushing you. Now, I used to film and edit YouTube videos pretty much all week long, and I felt like I was just drowning. Then I flipped it, man. I batch 5 to 6 YouTube videos once a month. Usually on a single afternoon, I can bang those out. And each one is maybe 12 to 18 minutes long. Just zero fluff, built around one specific problem that I know that my audience has. Something like, how do I turn my LinkedIn posts into coaching clients? Or what does a simple $47 digital product look like? And then I can take each of those videos and cut them into shorts, and I can share them on YouTube if I wanted to. I typically share them on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, even X. And then I'm going to put out a weekly newsletter that's just a simple breakdown that goes straight to my email list. And then I'll do one LinkedIn carousel or a thread. And I think that's it. It's that simple. One really heavily focused content day a month can fuel everything. And the algorithm loves the consistency, but your brain loves the boundaries. There's a rhythm to this, and it gives me the rest of the month to actually focus on serving my clients and living my life. And pillar 2 is turning that content into an email list, one that becomes a real business asset. And in 2026, platforms can demonetize you at any point. And your email list is the only thing that you truly own. I can give away a simple lead magnet at the end of each video, usually a PDF checklist or some sort of short Notion template that solves the exact problem we just talked about. So my current download is available in the description below. I encourage you to check that out. It is a huge help to creators like us, and it gets your path laser focused. And people love it because it's made by someone who actually gets what they're trying to do, what they're looking for. And I send one value-packed email out every Tuesday and one maybe soft promotional every other Friday, and that's it. No daily spam. The open rates are ridiculously good because the audience trusts me. They've been watching me show up, and that list is now responsible for 70% of my revenue, and it grows by itself through organic content. And pillar 3 is the offer stack that feels good to sell and even better to deliver. I don't have a complicated funnel with 12 different products and 12 different steps. I have 3 things that I like to offer. And one is a digital product or a mini course. Another is a group coaching session that runs maybe twice a year. And then I love to do, this is my favorite, one-on-one consulting with people. And those are maybe 3 or 4 calls. I pick up a couple clients a month that I work one-on-one with. And the beauty of that is that YouTube and LinkedIn content does 90% of the selling for me. I never have to hard sell on these videos. I just teach, tell stories about what worked for me and what works for other clients. And then, mention at the end, if you want the exact same templates that I'm using, they're in that link that I talked about in the description. People buy because They already know, like, and trust the version of me that they've been watching now for months. And last year, I hit some really good numbers. And with this simple stack, while working part-time hours, the people buying it from me, they're other 40 somethings, other 50 somethings who are tired of the same hype that they've been hearing. And that hype that you've been hearing doesn't work anymore. They want someone who sounds like them, someone who's experienced, someone who comes off like almost like a friend. And that's why it works. So pillar 4 is the systems that protect your time and your peace and your sanity. I batch everything, like I said, content, emails, even client calls. I use a few simple tools. I like Notion for my content calendar, ConvertKit for email, and a basic scheduling link. And that is literally it. There's no fancy tech stack that costs hundreds of dollars a month. The goal isn't to work more. It's to work less while the business grows. I block my mornings for really, really deep work, really thoughtful work. I love to do my client work in the afternoon, and I protect my evenings like they are sacred. When you're 40 plus, 50 plus, you start to figure out that time is the only non-renewable resource you have. And a 10K a month can feel a whole lot better when you're not exhausted. Look, this isn't sexy. There's no one weird trick. It's just patience and making purposeful content that builds real relationships with people who are a lot just like you and I. And if you're still watching, and I want you to do this one thing for me right now, grab a piece of paper or open your notes app and write down the one content topic that you're most qualified to teach, the one problem you have solved in your own business, or something that you figured out about life that you could talk about for an hour without notes. That single topic is going to be the foundation of your entire business. Drop that topic in the comments below. I'd love to read it, love to hear about it. And I read every single one, and I will reply to as many as I can with a quick piece of personalized feedback. If you want the exact content calendar, lead magnet, template, all that stuff, the offer stack breakdown I used, I put it all together in a free resource. And like I said, the link is in the description. It is not a sales pitch. It's literally content that I'm offering to you. And if it's not your thing, no big deal. I just wish it's something that I wish someone had handed me a couple years ago. So my friends, you don't need to be louder. You don't need to be younger. You don't need to burn out. You just need better systems. One that respects your experience and your time and your desire to build something that lasts, something that's sustainable. And if that sounds like something that you're looking for, you actually want to get into, hit the like button, subscribe, share this with a friend, and I will see you in the next video.